2012, 55% of teens were not wearing a seatbelt at the time of the crash, resulting in a fatality.
When you are not wearing a seatbelt, the death risk is 47 times higher than if you were to put on your seatbelt.
Oh my god! Oh, I forgot the word.
Most accidents happen within 25 miles from home, so click it early.
Hey, put your seatbelt on. It is the most effective way to prevent death and serious injury in these crashes.
Seatbelt use has nearly increased from 11% to 85% between 1981 and 2010, saving thousands of lives.
Ages 18 to 34 are less likely to wear the seatbelt than those 35 or older. So kids, wear your seatbelt.
Watch out! Hold on!
Make sure passengers in the back also have their seatbelt on.